Today's video I will show you how you can create an account on GMC for PLAB test booking. So first of all, go to the Google and write down GMC, and here you can see the link of the website. Click on that and now click on the top right corner GMC Online column. And here we're going to select the last line, how to create a GMC Online account. And then here is some information. We are going to select the option number 5 to set up a GMC Online account. And here you are going to select the first one, that we don't have a GMC reference number, and click on the application route finder. And then click on find your route for registration. And here is some question answering. Give the answer according to yours. Like, I'm going to apply for registration with a license to practice. Click on that. And then of course not a Swiss applicant, click no. And then your primary medical education, of course none of the above, not from the UK, and European qualification. And then if you have completed your internship, also yes. And your internship is from UK or the other countries. And then you will provide the evidence, in all of these. Like, we are going to select the PLAB test. And thus it, your questioning is complete, and now they will give you the requirements for GMC registration, that you need to pass the PLAB test for that. All these information. So you will scroll down and go to option number 15, that I am ready to apply. Click on that. So here you scroll down and you will click on the second last line, set up an account. Second last line, click on that. And here you can put your all details, like your, first of all, your email, and then you write down your password, and then re-enter the password again, and then click on create my account. And after that you will receive an email in your Gmail box from GMC containing your GMC reference number. So after that you will come again to the website and click on GMC Online on the top right side, and here you will enter your GMC reference number, which you have recently got by email, and then write down your password and then click on sign in. So this is all about your account. After that you can log in. Your account has been created, and then you will see some information on the left side of the column. I'm really sorry it's taking some time. So in the left corner you will see the information. Like, first of all, you have to select your English language test requirement. You will click on that option, like you can see there. In the last option you will see that English language test requirement. You will click on that, and then you will add your IELTS or OET, whatever you have done. You will update these results, and in 3 working days GMC will check these results, and after that they will send you an email that your English language test has been accepted. And after that you are able to book your PLAB test if it is available. Let me show you here also. So scroll down here you can see my test. Click on that. You have already entered your English language test and it is accepted. After it is accepted, then you will go to the test booking option and you can book your PLAB test. So this is all about the GMC registration account.